For people with sleep apnea, every night can be a battle and one step closer to potentially kicking the bucket. You see, the airway closes
So
off,
people will use those
oxygen
like
levels
CPAP
plummet,
machines, I
and
know.
the brain
Yeah.
jolts you awake in a panic. This can happen dozens, even hundreds of times each night without you even knowing it. From the ER and ICU perspective, untreated sleep apnea isn't just about feeling tired. It doubles your risk of heart attack and stroke,
Jesus!
raises your chance of sudden cardiac
Jesus!
death, and
Rough
strains
day
your
for Harry.
entire cardiovascular system.
Everything he does could
Ranges
kill him.
from lifestyle changes like losing weight or avoiding alcohol before bed